Oh, Mr. One, I just asked for food. Zojawawa. No food. Food is what I'm asking. Man, I'm fucking hungry. I really just need some food. My fucking eat. Fuck. These are fucking tight. Tight. Not just tight. Tight. My fat is good enough. And focus will kill me one day. Pretty sure. Get the fuck out of here. Focus up, goddamn it. We should turn off manual focus. I should get a stiffer mount for my phone. Oh, look at that pre-applied thermal paste. Love it. I'm not going to use my own good stuff. Oh yeah. Perfect seating. Oh yeah. Let's go, Team AMD. This is very crucial. So my fat hand out of the way. I can still get out, I'm still gonna take one. I know this place. Oops. That's a little oopsie. Okay, tight. Very good. Now let's drop this down the table. Okay, there's the bottom one. CPU fan. Okay, let's connect that up. Perfect. Now let's route this wire. Let me get some zip ties. Where's my zip ties? I got it. We should leave the cable in place, but my OCD will kill me. Yeah, sorry for that little detour. Good. That's good. I need food! Now let's put in the RAM, the dedicated RAM. We have 16 gigabytes dedicated RAM. I love my DDR4 3200 by the way of Kingston Fury RAM. Beautiful stuff. 3200 is more than enough for the CPUs. Now we unlock the first and the second and the last, or the first from the right hand side. The sticker always faces this way, so this will go from the bottom first. You hear the clicks, beautiful clicks. I love them. Love when it clicked. More clicks, give me more. It's a bit crusty. I hear some crust. Is it this? Wait. Crust when I put it on. So I think it's either dust or this slot's never used. I'm not sure. Now, let me get a small bit for my screwdriver. Now let's get our SSD installed, the M.2. This is an X-ray disk solid state drive M.2. Nothing can stop better. What? Nothing can stop better. What the fuck are you talking about? Yeah, we need the slogan. Yeah, Butcher and Google Translator is always good. It never fails, man. Now, where's the screw? The damn screw, never lose that. It's important. Oh, there's a double stacked layer. This is the small heat sink. Don't mind my beautiful nails. I just got in the full of grease because I was fixing an engine. There's no fucking mount. There's no mount for them that tool. What? See this? Do you see this? There's no mount for this M.2. There's supposed to be a standoff here. These are just screws without standoffs. There you go. We are kind of fricked. Let me look through the pile and I'll come back. So I was looking through my endless supplies of screws. I have like 3 boxes and I found this small standoff. Focus please. This is an M.2 standoff, but it's too tall. So let's put it in there and hope for the best. It's a bit tight in there, I don't know why. Like, the first one is good, the second is tight. Maybe there's a broken screw or something. No. Fuck. Let me get my pliers. Let me get the heavy duty stuff. These are the bad boys. Does have one broken thread in there, so that's why it was hard to turn. Now hopefully M.2 goes. So yeah, a bit taller than I would like to, but still works, still works. Oh shoot, should I cut it? I don't know, I don't want to get the Dremel. Should cut it maybe to there. Should I? I'll just leave it, fuck it. Let me open this bag. And if I found the M.2 mount, and then at some later date I will use it. But for now, nah. Yeah, let's just go with it. Let's just go with it. Go with the flow. We must. Yeah, very good. It's not going anywhere. Now, let's get it installed in the case. How I'm going to record that. Got this fit. Oh yeah, it fits in the frame just perfectly. Now, all of these wires need to get in the back. Don't need those. And yeah, front USB, front audio, USB 3. We need these. We need the front panel I/O, and the power, the reset, the LED, and this mysterious wire that I'm not going to fuck with because we do need. Let me get the IO shield. The IO shield. Now this audio down. I can't even ram. Let me do it off camera. Okay, I did it. Now screws, 1 stand up, 2 stand up, 3. We need only for the micro ATX. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all good, and 2 extra we remove later. Maybe yes, maybe no. Who the fuck knows? There is a space for the power supply wires if I put this. Yeah. Wait, maybe the case is bent because it got damaged in the shipping. Damn. Correct tip and get some screws. Let me remember to be smart this time. I forgot where I put my baggie of screws. Fuck. Let's get the middle ones first, so it can't be seated all the way. So that it is the first screw. And don't tighten them all the way because you are not working with a car, you are working with a board. So don't tighten them, just by hand. See, just by hand. Some motherfuckers will tell you, no, it will move. When it will fucking move, it will go to France, bitch. It won't move. It will stay where it is. So for the wiggleness, I'll fix that in the software because I'm using bed stuff. Bed stuff always good for beginners because you learn from them. Now let's figure this one out together, boys. I have no idea where everything is. Because I have no idea what is the front. Okay, I found it. There it is. Front panel switch need to be up there. The reset under it this way. Yeah, all in. Let's go the USB 3 second. USB 3 down here. ABT, labeled ABT. USB to front USB. Yeah, it comes for serial communication. COM stands for communication. How dumb of me to assume, mister. Let's put the SATA cable in because I have another hard drive. SATA cable first one. Yeah. Let's route all these down there. Or maybe the power supply, then the graphics card. Oh, let's do that. It's called 51 RISC. It's a Chinese RX 588 gigabyte. Maybe we are taking a 51 RISC with that, but it's hefty and good. AMD heat pipes, you love to see that. Metallic backplate. You know what? This is quality. It's Chinese, but quality Chinese. I love it. To display board to the HDMI. Good. These are already removed. Let's do this. Put down. Okay, very good. Very good. Seated all the way. Very nice. Now, if you see, we have only one PCI Express by 4 because the other one got covered. And I needed it. I need it for this. This is my used but got it for cheap Wi-Fi card. I need to remove this one. We're going today. Let's go like this. Yeah. We are in. Screws now. The screws are covered. Let's put it in an angle. Let's do this. Yeah. It's a different thread as well, but it should work. No problem. Don't want to tighten it all the way. Just a bite. Yeah, just a bite. Fuck. Let's tighten this one. Let's put another screw here. Yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah, it's going in. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't want you to flop around. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. No. Oh yeah, that's good. Not going anywhere. Sorry for the angle, but it's a bit of a weird angle. You can't see nothing. Now let's put the power supply in. The power supply goes here. Oh yeah. 550. 550 thermal KQ. Very good. Let's put that in there. Now let's put it facing down. Like this. Oh yeah. It's in. Let's do its screws. Okay, bit of an interruption. Let's do the cables. Let's do the GPU first because it's right here. Then we route these out of the back to here. Yeah, let's do this. This is a GPU. An 8x8. We only need 6 pin. So we remove one. We put it like this. Yeah, this is good. We will cable manage it later. Alligator. This is the 8 pin for the CPU, and this is a 24 pin for the motherboard. Then we have one SATA for the extra hard drive. Where is the hard drive? There is the hard drive, 256 gigs, and I never spoke of that, is 512 gig. So let me do the cables off camera because it's a bit of a hassle. Oh, and there's space down there for the hard drive, so let me take this cage and put the hard drive and put the cable in. Let me do that and I will come back later. Okay, we are on the floor. I just routed the cables a bit. I put the other hard drives in the back, or hard drive, sorry. Everything works. We are posted. I'm on the floor. It's a bit of a mess right now, but I will just do the DOC profiles. Then I will continue the cable management, then install the software and test. So motherboard tab, motherboard settings, the DOC profile for the RAM, then the secure boot is enabled, the boot option is the M.2, and the temperatures are maybe wrong, 361, but when I touch it's less than 61. I need to check that. Maybe it's an issue with the software itself, don't know, don't care, honestly. If it works, it works. And yeah, that's about it. Look at it, beautiful. I cable managed it, I added the other hard drive, I cleaned the glass, I added it. And for the overheating issue, as I said before, there's overheating. I removed the factory thermal paste that I thought was good. I added some of this expensive stuff and it seems to fix it. And now I'm installing the software and drivers so we can game and test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and one more thing, I changed the time and the fonts and the language as I pleased, and I changed the region to Turkey, because if you want to play some cheap Game Pass games, you need the Turkish account or the Turkish region. And I removed all the bloatware that Windows 10 comes with. It comes with a lot of unnecessary stuff, and I cleaned the taskbar as well. So yeah, we are going good.